The market is hot, sentiment is great, and Bitcoin is almost 80,000, Ethereum 2,300. And I feel like a kid in the candy store. Meme coins are pumping, guys. The bottom might be in. In this video, I'm going to go over what I am looking for specifically on Bitcoin and what are the top altcoins and meme coins that I am looking at this bull run for financial freedom. As always, none of this is ever financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and always do your own research. Now, this is a good market. Let's get into it. I love to see it. If you've been here all throughout the bear market, if you've been stacking your coins, stacking your tokens, keeping sentiment up and a good attitude, knowing that green days would come, congratulations to you. And now is the payday, or the beginning of the payday, guys. Let's look at this. Wow. It's hard to find a red coin on this list. If we take a look, Bitcoin 77,000. Ethereum 2,400. Look at this. Up 27% in the last 7 days. BNB up 12%. XRP is no longer a stable coin. Up 40%. Hyperliquid 38%. Zcash 35%. It's hard to not be making money. Let me know if you're making money and what's your biggest holding currently, and I'll let you know my strategy. If we come over here and take a look at Bitcoin, what I want to show you is that we are approaching the 50-week moving average. And you can see this is often thought of as the bull market support band or the bear market resistance. If you see, once we break it over this level, we really never go under it until it's time to drop. And that is what we're coming up on right now. We are at a pretty high RSI here on the daily, as you can see, and we are currently at 77,000. So a level that I am watching very closely is this 82K level. You could see it was a resistance back in May of this year, and that is also going to be a combo. When we hit it as resistance, it's going to be the 50-week simple moving average coming into contact with this resistance that we had from a few months ago. And so how am I going to play this? Well, I'm definitely going to be cautious towards this range, and I'm continuing to buy good altcoins. I bought Lighter last week. I bought more Bittensor Tau sub $200, and I still believe that if the low is in, okay, which I'm not 100% convinced, but I'm getting more convinced. If the low is in, it's pretty amazing to me that we got a huge pump on BTC, but the altcoins are still at a great value. Like I bought this at 198, but still, take a look at that. Bittensor Tau is 230. What? Look how cheap that is. Zoom out, guys. And also the Discord is doing amazing, guys. We've had a lot of people join the lifetime, and we are about to increase the prices of the monthly. So if you want to get in, lock in that price forever, I will leave a link down below. But even meme coins are doing great. This is one me and my community got in way back here in this range of 100, 200,000 people were able to get in. And look at this project. I think it could potentially be the top dog on Robinhood. If you come over here and take a look at if is breaked out of this range that it was, if we bring this down right here, it was in this range, and that's kind of what I'm looking at with good. It was here, boom. So that's what I'm hoping happens. We will update in a future video. But we also bought this key level right here at 4.5K using technical analysis, and this is something that I teach in my group. We came up here, we now made a higher low, we made a higher high, and now we are again making a higher low on if. And so the fact of the matter is that even if we get another low, or if Bitcoin goes down to 68,000, sentiment has bottomed. And my plan this cycle is pretty simple. I've got 80% of my crypto portfolio into very blue chip stable projects. I'm talking about Ethereum. I'm talking about Bittensor Tau. I think Lighter will become a blue chip. Near Protocol, all of those. And then I've got 20% over here. This is my risk on bucket. This is what I use to trade meme coins. This is what I use to trade perpetual futures. But the problem a lot of people make is that this 20% is actually 100% of their portfolio. And that's how people absolutely go broke. And that is not my goal. My goal is not to be 100% risk on all the time. My plan is to be semi-conservative, and it's done well for me. And I think with a decent amount of capital, that can be done. If we come over here and take a look at Near Protocol, this is doing great. 160 to 190, it's still very cheap. And one thing that I believe, if the low is in, is that the fact of the matter is that means that the AI bubble has not popped. Right? The AI bubble is going to continue. Stocks are going to continue going up. And whenever we take a look at the top 10 here, we do not have an AI project. When we look at the top 20, we do not have an AI project. When we look in the top 30, we do not have an AI project. It's not until 32 and 33. And so that's something that I think is very, very interesting and a huge opportunity for those to be mispriced currently and repriced very soon in the future. Something else that I'm watching is Aster. Aster right here is Binance's equivalent of Hyperliquid. You can see it's currently up 20% on the week. However, I expect BNB to make a huge push this cycle. They understand that the future of centralized exchanges are obsolescence. It's obsolete. Everything's going to move on chain via decentralized exchange. And Hyperliquid's proven that model. They continue to prove that model, and it looks great. However, whenever I look at this, I feel like I missed the boat, right? It's a 20 billion market cap. Sure, it could go to 40, it could go to 80, but I believe there's more opportunity in coins and tokens such as Aster. And even if we come down here, one that I mentioned recently, which is Lighter. The reason I like Lighter is because this is who Robinhood is using for their tokenized equities. And so we're going to have a huge push this cycle for real world assets to be tokenized. So I believe RWA projects are going to do amazing. Artificial intelligence projects are going to do amazing. And meme coins, well, guys, the trenches and the degen casino are just heating up. But promise me that you will not go at this on your own, guys. Join a community, whether it's my community or it's someone else who is trusted. And trust me, not everyone is trusted, but there will be a link down below if you are interested in that. But I don't know everything, and I could have missed something. So let me know, what are your top 3 holdings? Let me know down in the comment, and I will review a few of them. Watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Finance Freeman family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I'll see you in the Discord.